guys, welcome to the video on multiplying polynomials. So just a little refresher on distributing. When there is just a single monomial outside of a parenthesis, you just distribute and multiply it to each term, right? So that would be 2x to the 6th, because when you multiply, you add the powers, plus 6x to the 5th minus 4x to the 4th, because there's a secret 1, and then plus 10x to the 3rd. Okay, so that's how you multiply single, just monomials in. Now, what if it's a binomial? And in class, we did this with those boxes, but here's really what's going on. You're taking the 3x and you're distributing it to the other parenthesis, and then you're taking the 4 and you're also distributing it to the other parenthesis. So if you guys don't like the boxes, I want to show you another way to do this. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and then 3x times minus 7 is minus 21x. And then we take the 4 and do the same thing. 4 times 2x is plus 8x, and then 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. And then just like the boxes, we always have some like terms, so then we add those together. So final answer is 6x squared minus 13x minus 28. Okay, so if you don't like the boxes, I just wanted to show you guys another way. Let's do one quick box review too. So we're going to draw our boxes here. Okay, and then remember, it doesn't matter what order you go in. I'm going to put the 3x plus 4 on top and the 2x minus 7 along the side. Okay, so here's the box method. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Well, positive. Negative 7 times 3x is negative 21x. And negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Notice, guys, it's the same thing as here, except it's in a different visual. And we still have those like terms that we're going to add together. And we get the same answer, 6x squared minus 13x minus 28. And I don't care which way you guys choose to do it. You could do I call this the double rainbow method. And then I call this the box method. All right, so your choice. Some people think this is a little more organized, but it's up to you. All right, there's a couple on the back that are a little different that I want to go over. And one of them is number 2. Now, I'm going to be doing the box method. But again, you guys can choose. This one, the reason I want to do this one is because we have 3 terms. So we have a squared plus 3a minus 4, and then we have 2 terms, 2a plus 3. I just want to show you that it works for any amount of terms. All right, let's multiply. 2a times a squared is 2a cubed. 2a times 3a is positive 6a squared. 2a times negative 4 is negative 8a. And then 3 times a squared is plus 3a squared. 3 times 3a is positive 9a. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Now, there's going to be some like terms, but there's a couple sets of them. Here's some a squareds. And here are some different like terms, just the a's. So make sure you only add like terms. Final answer then is there's a 2a cubed. If we add like terms here, there's 9 of the a squareds. And if we add like terms here, there's a 1a, and then don't forget the minus 12. So this box method is really useful for any amount of terms. And the like terms will always be across the diagonal. That's kind of a nice trick too. Okay, there's one more that I wanted to do, number 3. What if it says 2x minus 3 squared? Well, all that means, when you guys see a squared, it just means that you multiply it by itself. Okay, so let's make a box. So on this one, we're just going to have 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. So again, squared just means you multiply it by itself. All right, let's get that going. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. All right, add like terms along the diagonal. And it looks like our final answer is 4x squared. If you add these guys, it's minus 12x and then plus 9. All right, guys, one more. Number 5. Let's take a look at number 5. This one looks weird too. These on the back side, these are all kind of like harder types. Okay, let's make a box. And any of these, if you guys feel good about it, feel free to try it yourself. All right, now this one we've got 3x plus y and 3x minus y. All right, let's see if you guys can handle this one. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times y is actually 3xy. That's it. 3 times x times y is 3xy. Now 3x times negative y is just negative 3xy. And then negative 1y times positive 1y is negative 1y squared. Okay, let's see. Along the diagonal are like terms. And let's see what our answer is. So it's 9x squared. Now, a 3xy plus a negative 3xy actually cancel. And we're just left with 9x squared minus y squared. That's the final answer. Okay, and I just want to give you guys a preview of number 6. So on number 6, and we won't do it because this is getting a little bit long, you guys know when it says squared, you know to write it twice, right? 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. Now, what this 2 does is after you get your answer, you're just going to multiply everything by 2. You're just going to distribute the 2. Okay, and we'll talk about that more tomorrow. If you guys want to keep watching, I'll finish this one off. But if you've had enough, go ahead and stop it now. But I'll run through this one real quick. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. 3 times 4 is 12x. 4 times 4 is 16. Add like terms. It's 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. Now, then we need to multiply everything by 2. Final answer is 18x squared plus 48x plus 32. Okay, nice job, guys. We'll practice this more tomorrow.